Today on Rising Up, come for a tour of one of the nicest rooms at the lodge at Vail. Their 3-bedroom, 2-floor suite. It is amazing. If you were with us for the last vlog, then you know that this hotel has not disappointed us yet, and it definitely won't today. Our room was awesome, and we got to swim in the snow. We loved it. If you're new here, you may not know our channel is all about adventures, big and small. So definitely make sure to subscribe, as Jayla and I are on one of the biggest adventures we've ever been on, driving from Ohio to California and back. We're going to meet up with Jason out there and have a bunch of fun and take you with us all along the way. So subscribe. So in the last video, we were packing up and we were heading out of our room at the lodge. And while we were waiting for my dad to pull up the cars, I had an idea. And I thought, why sit here in the lobby? We could actually ask if we can tour the penthouse. Unfortunately, the penthouse was taken, but they did let us go take a tour of their 3-bedroom, 2-floor suite. It is amazing. Let's check it out. All right, we are in room 359. This is one of their 3-bedroom residences. I asked to see the penthouse. They said it's occupied right now, so it's not the nicest room, but wow. This is pretty incredible.
I can see Grandma.
Wow. We've got a fireplace. Look at this.
See Grandma.
Mom! She's not looking at all.
Grandma!
Hello! I asked if we could come film it. Woo, it's fancy. Yes. You've got your firewood. Ban it for me, Jayla. We have our firewood for our fireplace, chairs to sit, Grandma across the way. This place is beautiful. Just the huge windows. Oh my goodness, the big couch. Woo, you could have a party in here. Ah. Oh, it's comfy too. Nice, Jayla. And look at this huge table. I bet it's got a leaf in it so you can pull it out. It's got a whole bench around there. You have your own kitchen. Show us our amenities, Jayla.
You have a microwave.
Very nice, full microwave. Lots of drawers, lots of counter space.
Sink.
Yeah, a dishwasher. In a hotel. Stove, oven,
Coffee.
plates, bowls. You have everything you need to make yourself at home for a very long stay. Maybe while you're going skiing. Pull out the fridge. This is pretty awesome. Got all kinds of pans, glasses. Let's go tour the downstairs bedroom, because yes, there's an upstairs. Bedroom number 1.
2 beds.
2 beds. You've got a view, which is hard to see right now. See if it's still snowing. A little bit. You got the view of the balcony here. So 2 beds. Oh, a double door closet. How fancy.
That one doesn't open, it's locked.
Oh, okay. So only one side, and they've got my fan. I was missing that last night. Private bath. Can you turn on the light for us, Jayla? Whoa. Nice shower.
Look, you can turn it down.
Ooh, it's got a dimmer. Mood lighting. Fancy. Let's see what else. Hello all. Beautiful sink. You have your own hair dryer. Okay, let's move to the next.
Upstairs.
Okay, we're going upstairs. I can't believe we're going upstairs in a hotel room. This is crazy. Oh. Wow, it just gets better. So here's the view down to the living room. Pretty amazing. Ah, it is gorgeous. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, locked door.
That was locked too.
Must be storage closets. All right. Next bedroom. Got a big king bed. A desk. Another gorgeous view out there. Woo.
Whoa.
What's the whoa? I'm excited for the whoa. TV. Got your chair there. An arm wall. So extra. Another private bath. Another fancy shower.
Big closet.
Yes, big closets. Lots of storage room.
Oh, that turned on the light in there.
Okay, yeah. Big closet. Another fan. Ah, I love the fans. I needed a fan. I can't sleep without fans. Okay. Next.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Just in case you need an extra. With vaulted ceilings. Oh, this one has the bathtub. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Like it. There's vaulted ceilings just everywhere. So we have 2 beds in here. So you could comfortably come here with about, what was that, 2, 4, 6, 8, about 10 people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's the closet. This place is pretty amazing. Pretty cool.
Confused with the steps.
I don't know, let's put it back. How about that?
Okay.
Okay. Wow. I'm amazed. What about you? Think you could stay here?
Yep.
So again, this is the 3-bedroom resident at the lodge. I think we're gonna ask him how much this is. Maybe next time when we come here, we stay here. Bring Daddy back. Bring some friends. That'd be fun.
Emma.
And bring Emma. You would think of that. So hopefully you enjoyed this tour of the lodge's 3-bedroom residence. So neat, again. And if you saw our footage from earlier of going swimming in the snow, there's so many things that are unique about staying here at Vail. It's just amazing. Such a beautiful place. They have a restaurant in here called the Elway, which is owned by John Elway. And they have office spaces you can use. Glorious pool, which I've already talked about and shown to you. But I highly recommend this hotel. It's amazing. All right, now we should really go. I don't want to, but we should. Let's say bye to Vail. Let's go shop.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for for letting us tour the room.
Thanks so much for
Thank you.
coming.
How much is that room to stay in typically?
It depends on the season, but anywhere from $500 to $1,500.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you again for letting us tour. Thanks.
Take care.
Next time on Rising Up, come with us as we go around the quaint town of Vail and go shopping. Tour the shops with us and also come out to eat with us, and we'll be taking you to more places in the future. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming vlogs. We look forward to seeing you soon on the next adventure. Bye-bye for now. More. Oh, it's probably like, oh, don't break stuff in the big house. To control lights. Probably controls the fan up there, honey.
Open.
Okay. Be sure to shop our store, Rising Up. You can find it through Instagram or the link in our description. We've got designs that are made especially with you in mind. Everything from infants through adults and things like masks, fanny packs, bags, and so much more. Even if you have somebody that hasn't seen Rising Up, you may find something that's a perfect gift for a friend or family member, especially if they are an adventure lover like us. You can even find products to match with your dog. Yes, that's right, sweatshirts for your dog. Go ahead and click the link in the description and shop now. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Before you leave, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And you're going to want to open up that description because inside the description you'll find links to our Instagram accounts, other YouTube channels, and you don't want to miss our free trial for Epidemic Sound if you like today's music. And there's so much more. Also, if you click the logo down below, you can see what other videos we have and what's going to premiere next. And you can hit that reminder so that way you remember to chat with us live. New videos come out each week, but to watch more now, click one of the videos down below.